Hey dear friends, hi, how are you? I hope you all will be happy and you all want to learn English language. That's why you have clicked this video. And if you are new in my channel, then first of all you subscribe my channel because I'm going to provide you lots of content that help you to learn English language. And if you truly wanted to learn English language, then first of all you have to believe in yourself, because when you are not going to believe in yourself, then how can you speak English? Because believing is the most powerful force that we have to develop, because everybody have a belief but something, and you have to believe yourself, because English language is not hard language. English language is easier than your language. So why you cannot speak English? Even belong for a rural area, I can speak English. Then why you not? Because you also can speak English, bro. Because first of all you have to believe in yourself. You have to remove your doubt. You have to change your belief system, because you believe your belief system holding you back to speak English. So first of all you change your belief system, because you are not going to believe in yourself, because you're no one, your neighbor people speak English. That's what you know. That's why you are not going to believe in yourself. Even your teacher not going to speak English. That's why you are afraid to speak English. No, my dear friends, if you believe in yourself, that doesn't matter which caste you are belonging, it doesn't matter where you are living, you can speak English. Because everything about our belief system, whatever your mind can believe and it and conceive, it can achieve. So my dear friends, our mind is most powerful than you think. So you don't have to afraid to speak English. From today onward you have to choose a certain time. You have to start speaking every day. And every day when you are going to start speaking English, it will become your habit. And when will become your habit, you are going to enjoy to speaking English. And this is the way you can learn English language easy, because our habit play a big role in our life, my dear friends. And how can we shape our habit so that can we start every day to speaking English? First of all you have to choose certain time. You have to take action. A study period you have to take a small action, because when you are going to take a study period by big action, then you are going to forget. Because when you because you feel tired, you feel embraced. So that you have to take first of all a small action. You are little by little you have to increase your time and your fluency. Automatically it is going to shape your habit. And will become your habit, you are going to enjoy your life speaking. Because speaking comes from speaking, just like riding comes from riding, swimming comes from swimming, writing comes from writing. Just the way when you wanted to speak English, then you have to open your mouth and you have to start speaking. Because speaking more speaking, my dear friends, whatever you, no one is a perfect. So my dear friends, if you wanted to be perfect, then you have to practice more and more and more. Because if practice make a man perfect, no one word is a perfect. So you have to believe in yourself, because a perfectionism come from the practice. Because more practice you do, and you become better and better. Because repetition is the key of success. Because whatever you are going to repeat over and over, it become a stronger, faster and easier. So you have to believe in yourself. Your repetition going to help you to speak English. No one can help you except you. First of all you believe in yourself, and you can speak English easily. Thanks bro for watching this video till the end. Thanks.